Good morning, everyone. It is a Sunday morning, and unlike how I ended last week's video, being too worn out to make it to the state fair on Saturday, this is a Sunday, and even though I did cut and split wood most of the day yesterday, I've got my energy back and I am on my way to the Indiana State Fair. And today they continue with the heifer and steer show, and tonight is the grand drive, and I'm probably not going to stay for the grand drive since it is live streamed, and probably the steers won't show until 8 o'clock or later, and it's a long drive home. I can watch it from my chair because I will stream it to my big screen TV. So that's a morning update as I start a new week, and it will be again a busy week with lots of meetings, etc. So as you watch the video, hope you find something you like. Well, here's the no-till drill that I have rented for a day or so to drill oats into my fall pasture that I won't cut for hay, that it just will be turned into fall pasture. So it folds out. I think it's a 12-footer, and I will get that video hopefully tomorrow when I drill these oats. Well, even though we got rain last night or this morning, I've got the oats in this rented drill, and I'm gonna see if I can get these oats drilled in the pasture. That way I'll have some excellent fall pasture when I bring the cows home. Well, as you can see, I'm starting to drill these oats. I've probably got a little over a third of the pasture done already. I will say this, I think this is a 12-footer, and the ground is a little bit damp. And I've got a 90 horsepower tractor, and it's pulling pretty hard. And then with the dampness of the ground, traction is a little bit of an issue. They have another drill that I could have rented that's, I think, a 7-footer, and that might have been a better choice, but this is working. I can say this, it's going pretty smooth, but this 12-footer no-till drill, it does pull pretty hard, and I'm using a 90 horse tractor. It's not the power that's actually an issue. I've got plenty of power to pull it. It's just keeping the traction on some of the slopes here on my pasture. And I don't know whether you'll be able to tell by the motor sound or not, but I should be finished in 45 minutes to an hour. Glad to have this project done, because this should really give me a lot of really good fall and early winter pasture. Again, this is my winter pasture. It's where I calve the cows out. And I have taken one cutting of hay off of this. So I'm very fortunate that I have summer pasture that they run on all summer, and then every other year I have corn stalks that they run on, so I won't have to bring those cows home till November, maybe even December. Just depends on the weather and maybe how these oats come up. I've got the no-till drill. Seeds all cleaned up out of it, what I didn't use. It's hooked up to the truck, and I am on my way to return that to the owner. I do have to go back to the house and get the checkbook so I can pay for the seed and the rental on this machine, and it is a nice machine. And I will get you the contact information for anybody in southern Indiana that would like to rent this. I'll get you that information maybe in the comments. Well, if you're wanting to rent that drill or buy seed, here's the information on this gentleman, Luke Rhodes, White River Ag, for all your seed, and you can rent that no-till drill. And they're not a sponsor of my channel, I'm just have used their service. Well, finally, this weather window looks like it's pretty good, so got both tractors running. Gonna drop about 22 acres of hay today, and then about another, I don't know, 20 acres tomorrow. That will just leave me one field yet to cut. And by the way, this field that I'm cutting now is a second cutting on my own field. The other two fields that I've got to cut are first cutting. One of the fields is not very good. It's always been wet no matter what the weather was. Just halfway decent cow hay, and that's about it. everyone, and it is a Thursday morning, and I am back in the tractor seat, heading about 3 miles from the farm to cut another hay field that's kind of a custom job for a family that has no livestock but just kind of wants their hay fields cut, and I get all the hay. So that's what I'm doing. That's also going to be the end of this week's video. And over the next several days, there should be maybe several video clips of cutting hay and raking hay, possibly baling hay, which will include some small square bales, which I don't get excited about. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed some of the drone video on this week's video. And have a great upcoming weekend. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Encourage your friends to subscribe as well. Thanks, folks.